Hello, today I'm going to show you how I made a replacement safety latch for my GSG AK-47 22 long rifle. This is not the original one, this is the replacement. I broke the original one, and this is the metal, which is better than the first one. And this is how I did it. I put the broken one or the original one on top of a piece of metal like this, almost the same thickness. Then I use a marker to trace over the old one. Punch a hole by using this tool. Use the scissors to cut around. And then I got my replacement. I'm going to use the JB Weld, the black and red. And I'm going to use a rivet. There are a couple sizes, medium, long, or short. I use the long one. So I'm going to put my rivet through here. And it's going to show on the other end like this. Then I put my replacement on with the JB Weld, and I use this ring. It's made for the rivet. So when you pull this rivet out, it's gonna mushroom this end. It's gonna lock, and it's gonna be like this. And then mushroom in. But you still have the head of the rivet sticking out a little bit. That's why I filed down the head right here to flatten, kind of flush. And later on, a couple years later, this lever, safety lever, came loose, kind of flopping around. So I cut a piece of metal, same one, just half of this, and I bend the other end in here, and then the other end goes under the lever between the frame and the lever right here, under. Then I soldered this part, and I soldered this part to hold it tight. That's why I got the lock on right this. Stable, it's pretty good. You see like, still see some JB Weld here. The ring is in here. There's the latch, the ring, the rivet, and JB Weld under here too. Thank you for watching.